Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Renu, for joining in. And despite of traveling and being home just now, that shows a massive, massive, massive commitment of yours to join this book reading club. And thank you for being here for me. Today we are on chapter. We had not completed chapter number 17 yesterday. We yesterday talked about the short-term solutions to deal with negative emotions. Today we are going to talk about long-term solutions to deal with negative emotions from this book, Master Your Emotions. All right. Let me very quickly share the screen so that we can discuss this and read it together. Long-term solutions. The following techniques will help you manage your negative emotions long-term. Number one is analyze your negative emotions. Identify the story behind your emotions. Take a pen and paper and write down all the reasons why you have these emotions in the first place. What assumptions do you hold? How do you interpret what's happening in you to you? Now, see if you can let go of this particular story. हम बहुत बार बात कर चुके हैं इस बारे में कि when we shift the story, a lot of things shift in our emotional state as well. Now, this book is also talking about कि हमारे को actually पीछे का reason क्या है, why are we feeling this way? Like I give an example of how a mother-in-law is cribbing and crying and saying stuff to her daughter-in-law, and daughter-in-law gets upset. She goes into her room, she bangs the door, and she sees the little child, writing on the wall, and उसको खटाक थप्पड़ लगा देती कि तमीज नहीं है क्या कर रही है. So this woman now has to sit and reflect ki what happened because of it, because of which she did that. That is, what is the emotional state? Why is she? So the first thing was mother-in-law said something to her which she did not like, because of which she felt emotionally hurt, because of which she banged the door, and because of which she hit her child. तो फर्स्ट रीजन तो सिर्फ फर्स्ट थिंग वाज द फैक्ट, बाकी सारी तुम्हारे दिमाग में स्टोरी चल रही थी कि ये तो मेरे से कभी सेटिस्फाइड ही नहीं होती, मैं सारा दिन काम करती हूँ. अपने मदर इन लॉ की बात सुनने से कमरे तक जाने तक तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये सारी स्टोरी चल पड़ी थी. नाउ यू हैव टू सिट एंड यू हैव टू रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन व्हाट इज द न्यू स्टोरी दैट आई कैन मेक अराउंड इट. Then what you do is write down your emotion in a journal. Take a few minutes each day to write down how you felt. Look for recurrent patterns. Then use affirmations, visualization, or relevant exercise to help you overcome these emotions. There is a very beautiful concept. जब भी आपको टाइम मैनेजमेंट करना है, जब भी आपको इमोशनल मैनेजमेंट करना है, whenever you want to see emotions and time, that is you start tracking every day basis पर कि इस hour में how were my emotions, what was I doing. अगर टाइम मैनेजमेंट में प्रॉब्लम है तो you start checking what did I do in this last 1 hour. If you're struggling with emotions, write down for yourself how was the last 1 hour for you. What did you feel? What were your feelings? What happened because of you felt that? जब आप 1-2 दिन ये करोगे ना, you will see an emotional pattern, और your energy level के लिए भी यही सेम काम करना चाहिए. And your time management का system आप check करोगे तो you will find loopholes. You will see a same kind of a pattern repeating in itself. And when you know the pattern, you can sit, you can think about it, and you can shift it. आपको कैसे शिफ्ट करना है उसको, इट हैज ऑल्सो शेयर्ड कि आप यूज करो एफर्मेशंस को, विजुअलाइजेशंस को, एंड रेलेवेंट एक्सरसाइजेस टू हेल्प यू ओवरकम दीज इमोशंस. आपको अगर पता हो कि अच्छा ठीक है मेरी मदर इन लॉ के कहने कुछ कुछ कहने से मेरे को गुस्सा आता है, तो यू कैन प्लान इन एडवांस. नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन माय मदर इन लॉ सेज समथिंग, व्हाट इज इट दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, हाउ एम आई गोइंग टू रिएक्ट, हाउ एम आई गोइंग टू रिस्पॉन्ड. ईच टाइम यू पिक योर सेल्फ अप कि ये पर्टिकुलर थिंग होती है और मेरा इमोशन डाउन जाता है, आई गो लो, आई गो बैड इन माई इमोशंस, आई गो नेगेटिव इन माई इमोशंस. पिक दैट अप, understand it, treat it well. Now next time when XYZ event happens, this is how I will respond. Next, what you can do is practice mindfulness. Observe your emotions throughout the day. Meditation will help you do this. Another way is simply to engage in an activity while being fully present. As you are doing this, observe what's going on in your mind. ठीक है, mindfulness सबको पता है. In fact, when you start meditation, you will see yourself such as a calmer soul. You will see that, I don't know, whatever people are doing around you, whatever they are saying about you or around you, will stop impacting you to an extent. Having said that, ये नहीं है कि meditation मैं कर रही हूँ तो मैं जबरदस्ती कह दूंगी हाँ भाई मैं meditation कर रही हूँ इसलिए it's not going to affect me. It does affect, but gradually as you keep on doing meditation every single day, you build an inbuilt strength in yourself that things stop impacting you. That was one long-term solution. Second long-term solution that the book is suggesting is move away from negativity. Up, there are few things that you can do to move away from negativity. For example, change environment. If you're surrounded by negativity, change your environment. Move to a different place or reduce the time you are spending. Move to a different place, reduce the time you spend with the negative friends. There are a lot of times जब हमारे घर के आसपास वाले लोग or the people whom we talk to, they spread a lot of negativity in ourselves. आप बात कर रहे हो, आप उनको कह रहे हो कि मैंने ये किया एंड देन से ओ तूने यही किया, तूने ये नहीं किया क्या? अरे you missed out on the fun part of it. And you will be like, oh, अभी मेरी जो सारी खुशी थी कि मैंने ये किया has gone पता नहीं कहीं और, and now I'm sad about, I'm angry about with my husband कि अरे हमने ये तो किया ही नहीं. Be aware, be mindful about such people and have limited interaction with such people. And another way of doing it is remove counterproductive activities. That is, remove or reduce the time you spend on any activity not having a positive impact on your life. This could be reducing time you spend watching TV or surfing on the net. Now, what happens is, जब हम बहुत सारा टीवी देख रहे होते हैं, बहुत सारा नेट सर्फ कर रहे होते हैं, there are times when we feel, वाह यार आज तो मजा आ गया, ठीक है? But साथ ही साथ आपको धक धक होनी शुरू हो जाती है, यार इतना टाइम तो इसमें चला गया, अभी तो मैं किचन में जाके खाना ही नहीं बनाना शुरू हुई, अभी तो मैंने ये काम करना था अपना कोचिंग इंडस्ट्री का, मैंने तो यही नहीं स्टार्ट किया. Now, if that is happening, that means you're watching a lot of TV is giving you some kind of a stress or guilt of not doing something that was more important and priority to you. अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है तो you have to reduce or remove the time of doing that activity. There are so many times, or in fact I would rather say कि आपको अपने आप को ऐसे करना चाहिए, whatever you're doing, do it fully, 100% focus के साथ. अगर if you're spending time with your family, give 100% time to them so that when you are doing your work, you are not guilty of not, sitting around with them. When I am with my family, I make sure कि मैं उनको अच्छे से पूरा अच्छा टाइम दे दूं. And I तो I have told my husband, मैं आपके साथ बैठी हूँ, you look at me only. Don't look at your TV, don't look at your tab. मुझको देख लो अच्छे से. अभी फिर मैं सेशन में चले जाऊंगी, then you will start telling me that तू तो मेरे साथ बैठती ही नहीं. This is how you work on your relationships. When you're sitting with your child and your child is scrolling phone, tell your child, यार मैं तेरे साथ बैठी हूँ, let's talk. After an hour, I'll have to go and do my work. You have to tell them that I'll get busy and then. So the thing is कि बच्चे को भी फील होना चाहिए, या स्पाउस है या आपके पेरेंट्स हैं, ये जो भी करते हो आप, जिससे भी बात करते हो थ्रू आउट द डे, अगर आप उनको बता देते हो कि मैं इतने से बजे से इतने बजे मैं बिजी रहने वाली हूँ, मुझसे बात कर लो, everybody is kind enough to talk to. Everybody is wanting to talk, but they are only, normally what they want is आप बस साथ में बैठे रहो. They don't want to talk. They don't want to do anything about it. But if you tell them, हम मुझसे बात कर लेना. Even आपको भी सारा दिन सिर्फ काम करना थोड़ी ना पसंद है. You also want to build connection with your family members, right? तो तब अपना 100% दे दो, so that when you come into your workspace, nobody disturbs you and you do not disturb your own self as well कि मैं तो उनके साथ नहीं बैठी. Another way, long term solution is condition your mind. कैसे कर सकते हो? By creating daily rituals. This will help you to experience more positive emotions. Meditate, exercise, repeat affirmations, create a gratitude journal, and so on. The best time to deposit positive thoughts in your mind is right before going to sleep and first thing in the morning. We all know it, right? हम अगर सही इंटेंशन के साथ डे स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड गुड इंटेंशन के साथ हम डे एंड करते हैं, दैट ब्रिंग्स अ लॉट ऑफ शिफ्ट इन आवर डे. Exercise. Exercise regularly. Exercise improves your mood and is good for your emotional and physical health. फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए हमारे को पता है कि एक्सरसाइज कितना हेल्पफुल है. बट लेट मी टेल यू, व्हेन पीपल आर इनटू डिप्रेशन, when there are few people who have disabilities, it is said that if you do physical exercise of any kind, it is going to help you. Then the long term solution number 4 is increase your energy. The less energy you have, the more likely you are to experience negative emotions. हमने कैसे देखा है ना, जब हमें बीमार होते हैं तो हमारे को बहुत गुस्सा आता है. That happens with each one of us, right? So what can we do to increase our energy? You can improve your sleep. Make sure that you get enough sleep. If possible, go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. What more can you do to increase your energy? Eat healthier food. As the saying goes, what you are what you eat. Junk food will negatively impact your energy levels. So take steps to improve your diet. Also, what you can do is rest. Take regular naps and take a few minutes to relax. So there are times when we in the afternoon go to sleep and 2-3-4 घंटे सो जाते हैं. That does not impact your emotions. वो तो long term सा मतलब बहुत लंबा हो गया ना. What you can do is power nap ले लो. छोटा सा 10 मिनट 20 मिनट के लिए सो के उठोगे, you will feel एकदम से energized and refreshed in your emotions. Last but not the least, breathe. Learn to breathe properly. There was one of the sessions wherein a person had come who was talking a lot about breathing, how breathing actually impacts our emotions. I would love for you to go back to that, video and watch it again to understand how to breathe properly. Another way is ask for help. No, that is consulting a professional. If you have deep emotional issues, such as extreme low esteem or depression, it might be wise to consult a professional. So this is something that is out of the control of even the coaches. If there is a problem of extreme cases, it is always advised that you should consult consultant. The action step that this book calls for is write down one short-term and one long-term technique you want to use. Ask yourself, among the times on the list, what is the one technique that will best help me deal with the negative emotions? जब आप ये करोगे ना, you will understand कि so while reading all these things, we would have understood कि हाँ ये मैं थोड़ा बहुत करती हूँ, maybe इस extent तक मुझे मैं करूंगी तो that will actually help me. So make sure that each time you go low on the energy, or maybe you can try all. सबको एक एक बार ट्राई करके देखो, जो सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा बेस्ट सूट करे, start using that. So now you have a Pandora box of how to deal with your negative emotions. As we go further, tomorrow we will be starting with the new section of this book. So I had told that this book has 4 sections. We have read about what are emotions. Part number 2 was talking about what impacts our emotions. Part number 3 talked about how to change your emotions. Part number 4 that we are going to start tomorrow is going to talk about how to use your emotions to grow. अभी आप इमोशंस हाउ टू ग्रो के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं। If this interests you, I would love for you to be in the room and understand how can we grow through our emotions. All right. Renu, if you have anything to share about what we have read today, please feel free to share.
Yes, I got my answers today. Really, I was not doing some things and asked for help, professional help. You said, ki, maybe I need one consultant in my life. So I will do it definitely.
Wonderful.
Yes. And when you said, na, take out on paper and shift story, things shift. क्या होता है कभी कभी हम लोग ना जो स्टोरीज बनाते हैं अपने दिमाग में तो दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ अवर ईगो
हाँ,
मेरे हिसाब से तो ऐसा ही होता है कभी कभी मैं बहुत ज्यादा विजुलाइज कर देती थी मतलब चीज इतनी सी होती है तो बाप रे आई डू दिस कि वो ईगो के कारण और दोनों इनसिक्योरिटी के कारण तो मेक अ माउंटेन आउट ऑफ लिटिल वो एकदम पेबल. Yes, I do that. So I'll work on that and I'll start writing, which my son was telling me. Mama, whatever is coming in your mind, now please write it down. Don't speak. You're spoiling things by speaking. So it's better you write it down and then you tear that out or maybe burn it and just blow it in the
wonderful.
air. He said he's telling me since so many months and I am not doing that here. And
ये तो हमने भी किया था 12 weeks 12 challenges में.
हाँ किया था ना किया था यस आई रिमेम्बर दैट तो इट्स नॉट वन टाइम बिकॉज इमोशंस आर डेली
Absolutely.
and and you told me ECG it's daily up down it's up to you how you're managing things because means sometimes जरूरी नहीं है ना relationship money career health with every aspect of life it's up and down with every individual.
True. Very true.
Very true right so mine is maybe something else and सबका अलग होता है तो
नहीं,
I'll
सबका अलग
continue.
नहीं होता, सारे ह्यूमन बीइंग सेम ही है.
हाँ
बल्कि सिर्फ
हाँ
इसके ऊपर काम करना है. थॉट्स.
हाँ जी वही जो you said ना mindfulness. And I wanted to ask you one more thing. You were telling same pattern repeating. Think about that time, affirmations, visualization, and the third one I forgot. What was that? I thought wrote journaling and meditation in my that, but you said something else.
Then
What
use
was
affirmation, visualization, and a relevant exercise to help you overcome those emotions. I
that?
normally see as that exercise as thinking about what if this thing happens again. How am I going to respond to it?
Okay. That I have to work a
तो
lot.
क्या होता है ना, earlier whenever my husband used to say something about my parents, I would react. ऐसे थोड़ी ना
Yes.
होता है, आपके मम्मी पापा ये करते थे तो I was not shouting at you, I was not telling you this and that about मम्मी पापा. Why are why do you keep telling this and that? And I would make my face round and I would like, मैं बात नहीं करूंगी, this and that, everything used to happen. Then I realized कि यार ये तो हर रोज का ही है, हर रोज का ही है ना, what do I need to do? Then I decided, जब वो बोलेगा ना, मेरा दिल में क्या है वो मेरे लिए है, राइट. आई डोंट वांट टू कन्विंस हिम फॉर दैट थिंग. उसे, हाँ यार वो ऐसे हैं, अब क्या करें उस बारे में ये बता. एंड ही स्टॉप सेइंग एनीथिंग अबाउट दैट. अभी उसको लग रहा है कि मैं भी उसी की टीम में हूँ. बट आई वाज स्मार्ट थिंकिंग कि अभी इसको चुप कैसे करवाना है, व्हाट इज इट. सो दिस इज हाउ इट हेल्प्स. व्हेन यू नो अगली बार ये बंदा ये बोलेगा, अगली बार ये इवेंट वापस होगा, तो हाउ डू आई रिएक्ट, how do I respond to it?
Right. Right.
So when we are on this journey, we should be smart enough to understand कि अगली बार ये होने वाला है, तो what is it that is coming out of my mouth? Practice it maybe a couple of times. अगली बार मैं अपने दिल में कुछ नहीं होने वाली हूँ, हलचल करने नहीं वाली हूँ. The only thing I'm going to say, यार है तो वैसे ही, अब क्या करें बताओ. अब बच्चे भी हमारे जैसे हैं, वैसे ही है ना, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. मम्मी पापा भी जैसे हैं वैसे ही हैं, कुछ नहीं कर सकते उनके बारे में। यू टेल मी हाउ कैन आई, व्हाट कैन वी डू? अभी उस बंदे के पास कुछ होगा ही नहीं बोलने को। नॉर्मली लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव दिस हैबिट कि उनकी लाइफ में कुछ गलत होगा तो दे विल बंदूक चलाओ ऑन समबडी एल्स, उसकी वजह से ये हो गया, उसकी वजह से ये हो गया। एंड यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग सो स्मॉल, यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग सो लो, यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग shattered, you start feeling because you love both the people। हस्बैंड को भी प्यार करते हो, पप्पी पापा को भी प्यार करते हो, यू डोंट लाइक लिसनिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम मम्मी पापा अबाउट योर हस्बैंड, यू डोंट वांट टू लिसन टू एनीथिंग अबाउट योर हस्बैंड, about your parents from your husband। how do you do, what do you do then? हाँ वो तो ऐसे ही है, मैं तो सबके साथ परमानेंट हो गया। हाँ वो तो ऐसे ही है, बताओ क्या करूं? एंड देन देयर nobody has anything to say। ट्राई मतलब इट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग कि सिट विद दैट एंड अंडरस्टैंड, क्योंकि आपको व्हाट इज योर एम? योर एम इज दैट यू शुड बी एट पीस, योर माइंड शुड बी एट पीस। अल्टीमेट गोल ऑफ योर लाइफ इज ऑल्सो दैट, आप खुश रहो, पीस ऑफ माइंड हो, और मैं बस जॉयस हैप्पी, मतलब मेरे को नहीं दुखी होना, ये होना वो होना। आप सोचते हो ऐसा हो, ऐसा नहीं होता ऑलवेज, बट ईच टाइम व्हेन यू गो लो एंड यू सिट विद दैट इमोशन एंड आस्क यार हम कर क्या सकते हैं इसके बारे में, यू विल गेट एन आंसर एंड यू स्टार्ट डूइंग।
Got it.
ऑलराइट, एनीथिंग एल्स दैट यू वांट टू शेयर?
No, no, nothing. But I got it what I have to do and work
वंडरफुल।
on myself, not all of the
किसी
myself.
पे तो
All
कुछ नहीं, किसी के ऊपर नहीं हमारा असर, हमारा असर सिर्फ
pe-
हमारे ऊपर है।
peace is here only. You have to find, you have to search
सर्च भी नहीं करना,
the
इट्स
layers.
विद इन अस ओनली, विद
No,
इन
but
अस।
no, you have to take out the layers also.
यस।
By taking out the layers, then only we can find the answers, right? Within you, within you.
Chalo, on that note, let's close this session. Thank you, Renu, for showing up, being here with me. And tomorrow we shall dive into a new part of this book. Wow, how to use your emotions to grow. All right, take care. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Rest yourself and enjoy your day. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, darling. Bye bye.